Alright folks, ever find yourself staring at a blank coloring page, feeling a bit overwhelmed? Yeah, I've been there too. Today I'm here to help you conquer that blank page with an easy and relaxing cupcake coloring tutorial. So grab your favorite coloring pencils, markers, or whatever you love to use. We'll make this sweet treat come to life together, one step at a time. First things first, outline your cupcake. Don't worry about making it perfect. Art should be fun and relaxing. Start with a smooth, curved line for the base of the cupcake liner. Then add soft, wavy lines to create that classic cupcake wrapper texture. Remember, the goal is to let your creativity flow. Now let's move to the frosting. Imagine a swirl of delicious, fluffy icing. Use gentle spiral strokes to build up the layers, giving it that soft, inviting look. Feeling a bit more confident? Great. Let's add some sprinkles and details. Tiny, colorful dots and lines will bring your cupcake to life. Don't stress about the colors. The more vibrant, the better. Alright, now for the shading. This is where your cupcake will really pop. Add darker tones to the edges and lighter ones in the middle. Think about where the light would naturally hit the cupcake. This creates depth and makes your art more realistic. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to color. The important thing is to enjoy the process. Take your time, breathe, and let each stroke be a moment of relaxation. And there you have it. Your very own beautifully colored sweet cupcake. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy and relaxing art tips. Thanks for joining me today and happy coloring!